So here we are in Edinburgh to demonstrate one of Feat's new features, which is the ability to highlight boundaries based on certain criteria. So what we're showing at the moment is lower super output areas, or LSOAs, and counts of restaurants and takeaways within those LSOAs. What we're focusing on for this tutorial is the highlight boundaries pane of the advanced toolset. So for example, we might want to have those areas highlighted to us that have more than 50 restaurants and takeaways. We can do that by simply typing 50 into the highlight boundaries panel, clicking show highlight, and perhaps unsurprisingly, there are only 4 areas of the city centre in Edinburgh that have more than 50 restaurants and takeaways, and they're highlighted with a green outline. You would imagine that we'd get many more highlighted boundaries if we just wanted to see those that had more than 5 restaurants and takeaways. We can also have multiple criteria and stack them at the same time. So we might be interested in those low super output areas with less than 1 restaurant and takeaway, but with more than 5. If we want to transfer that highlighted number of boundaries into a custom selection, and if you watched our previous video tutorial on creating custom selections, you'll be familiar with that concept. That's easy. So just move on to any highlighted boundary, for example this one, right click, click select all highlighted boundaries, and you can see now that we've got a custom selection based on our highlighted boundary criteria. If we click use selected set to analyze, the legend and the histogram are now updated to reflect only those 457 highlighted boundaries. If we want to deselect all of the boundaries that we've selected, just click deselect all.